Welcome to
Fully Cooked, because we cook like a bunch of fools too.
Fully
Cooked!
Hey guys, so I decided to put this video up. This video is actually really old. We don't live in this house anymore. And also, I have lost about 100 pounds since this video. So here we go. I'm gonna clean my kitchen. This is how I wash my dishes. I use the IKEA racks up there. Let me clear my throat. I use the IKEA racks up there. In America, they're like $5 a piece. Here, they're about 50 shekels. And I love it because it gets it off of the countertop. Yeah. Makes it really nice. I've also lost about 50% of my hair. I noticed my hair is like really thick here. Anyway, I've lost like 50% of my hair now. So it's growing back, so I look tore up for a different reason. Anyway, let's wash these dishes. Doesn't this just motivate you? And I'm wondering, what kind of music am I gonna put to this? Like, am I gonna put like some charging music? Like, yeah, let's get this done. Or am I gonna like try to put you to sleep with a slow song, nice and relaxing? Oh, I must be cooking. That's my favorite time. I cook and I clean while I cook because I have to be in the kitchen anyway. So I'll just go ahead and do all of my dishes. And then like for the next meal, like I do my lunch dishes at dinner time usually. For some reason, I have just learned how to clean my kitchen. And my kitchen is usually the only room in the house that is clean. So I make it like, it's not even a goal now, it's something I must do. I have to have my kitchen clean. So what I do is I do all of my dishes, I wash the counters off, I sweep the floor up. I am like a serial sweeper. I vacuum twice a day and I run the Roomba at least once. So I'm like seriously always sweeping. But it doesn't matter because my floor is always dirty. I mop like once a week, but I spot mop in between. Like if I spill something, I'll spot mop it. Wow, I look really pregnant here. I wasn't. The baby was probably a year old here. And she's about 18 months old now. Raphael is 5. He was in the beginning of this video, but I had to cut him out. There are some things going on YouTube right now, things that I can't show anymore, so... And look how hot this water is. This would seriously just burn Hadar's skin off. Hadar's my husband, if you don't know. It would just burn his skin off. He cannot take hot water. And I have some issue going on with my entire body where I could just like pour boiling water on myself and I won't even know it. Except for my head. I can't have hot water on my head, but everywhere else I can. And when he gets in the shower after me, he's like, ah! I think he's learned by now that, yeah. Oh, I've actually sold what I'm cleaning. Bye-bye. Okay, so here's my back fat. Yeah, this was during the process of me losing my hair, so, yeah, you can see all of my hair falling off here. This island though. I love this island. It has doubled, especially now that we're living in a tiny house now. It has doubled my kitchen space. I have 2 shelves and I use all of the space underneath like really wisely. I have gotten rid of at least 70% of everything that was in my kitchen in this kitchen before so we could move into a tiny house. It's been amazing. I just love using everything that I have instead of tripping over things that I'm not using and feeling guilty that I'm not using it. or even forgetting about it because it's put away. I still have all this stuff though. I use this stuff, so it's okay to keep things that you're using. We only have one burner now, and we're not using this really nice stove that I have filthied up here. I wish that I had a stove like this, but at the same time, no, I don't, because I never really used all of the burners. I only used one burner at a time, so what was the point in having 4 burners for me? Right now, I have a single burner hot plate, and it's just fine. I lived with a hot plate for years, probably like 5 years before I moved to Israel, and then for 5 or 6 years while I was in Israel. This is the only house here that we've actually had a real stove, like stovetop, because it had a built-in for it, and we're like, yeah, let's live, you know, kind of like how we've never lived before. Let's buy nice things and live. But you know, we bought the stove used, we bought the oven used, and then we bought a new fridge. Oh my goodness, what the heck? Oh, okay, my second load of dishes for the day. I actually threw away this shirt because 1, it was too big, and 2, it was snagged and ripped in the arm. This is the shirt that I wore in the intro of FoolyLiving, our daily vlogs. Wore it in the intro, and the intro went on for like 3 years or something, so, well, bye-bye shirt, bye-bye fat. I still have a lot of weight to lose, but it's really nice to go back and see where I have come from. We're moving to America this year at the end of the year, and I am hoping, well, I know right now for sure because I am smaller now than the last time that I flew, so I know for sure that I'll fit in the seat. But I really want to get on that airplane and be comfortable and enjoy my trip, because I really hate to travel, because being overweight it's not fun to travel with. It's a lot of extra baggage. So that's my goal for this year, to go and enjoy my flight. Well, I must have been cooking. I really don't know what to say here, so I know that I can't wait to use my griddle again, so I think when we get to the States, I might get a 2-burner hot plate. One that, it's not a hot plate, but like it's built in, and I may have it built into my island. You know, built in. My dad will do it. He'll cut a hole and put it in there. You know, something like that. Like 2 burners, I think would be really good for me. Because I do like to use a griddle, and we're taking that griddle with us. It's been a very good griddle. Cast iron. One side is a grill for like hamburgers and chicken. Oh, it cooks chicken so nicely. And the other side is like the griddle for pancakes. Can cook 8 pretty good sized pancakes at a time if your stove is level. My stove was not level here, by the way, so at the back it would like slide backwards. Look at that beef. I usually make 2 meals out of the beef. I guess I let this sit too long and I wasn't able to use it. Oops. Sometimes I don't get to that. But I'll take the beef juice and I'll put rice in it with vegetables and cook it right there in the crock pot, and it's really good. So that makes 2 big, not meals, but like probably like 8 meals altogether. Oh, this was fish. Yeah, I let fish skin sit on the counter. So I just soaked that for a while, and now I'm scrubbing it. I'm wiping that fish juice all over this mat here. Paw Patrol. Are your kids obsessed with Paw Patrol? Oh yeah. So here's how I do my laundry. I sort out, like, see my husband's shirts. I put them in a pile so I can fold all of them at once. I put the socks in a pile, put the underwear in a pile, put the towels in a pile, and then I get to the folding. Raphael takes care of all of his clothes, so he hangs his shirts.
Hi everyone. So today we're showing you folding up clothes. I even like this Paw Patrol shirt. I look like Spider-Man, right?
Yes, he does. So I put all of his shirts at the end of the bed so he can get to them. And of course the baby is going to try to take them. He gives her a hanger so she can leave him alone. Oh, that wasn't a good angle, so let's make it better. Yeah. Okay. So Raphael hangs up all of his shirts. He puts all of his underwear away, and he puts his pants away and socks. So he does all of his stuff. He takes care of his stuff. He actually can load the washer and start the washer by himself as well. And he will put the clothes into the dryer. I turn the dryer on just to be safe, because I don't want him to put it on like an excessively long dry time and burn the house down. And I also have to clean the filter. I don't like him to do that either. But he does chores around the house, and he does really well with it. Really proud of him. Girl. She's always trying to reach for the clothes. She's actually trying to help me now, as she's a little bit older. If I drop something on the floor, she'll pick it up, and you know, she wants that approval. Are you happy with me? Yeah. Oh, here's my bag of missing socks. And you know what? We moved and I still didn't find those socks. I have no idea where they went. Everything that I lost from the last move, I did actually find. So I guess there's one good thing in moving. Raphael's taking the dirty clothes. Yeah. Oh, okay. Are you helping me fold clothes, Abigail?
Yeah.
Are you helping me?
She's giving you those clothes. Mine.
You hear that? It's Daddy's plane. There he goes.
There he goes.
F-35.
Where is it?
I don't know. Very fast.
Very fast.
And in case you didn't know, my husband works for the Air Force in Israel. So every time we do hear an F-35, it's very exciting to us. Except we know that he's really working hard, and right now he works very long hours. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you like more videos like this. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to make a lot more of these cleaning videos now that we're in our tiny house. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on FoolyLiving. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.